Hey guys, we're finally putting some veggies in this dirt. And this dirt, that was super expensive, crazy expensive dirt. We're gonna add some plastic over it once we get it wrapped. We got helpers. If you haven't seen the first couple of videos, check them out. Like the channel. And these first two beds here, I've got some cover crop down. You can see them starting to sprout here. This is just gonna keep the soil nice and healthy, active, supporting life, growth. It's gonna, shield it from the sun. The dirt was the most expensive part of this whole thing. So we wanna take care of the dirt. You don't wanna just let it sit empty like this. You wanna give it some sort of cover crop or something, some life. You don't wanna dry out the dirt and kill the soil. Don't forget to like this video, or
like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. There you go, you heard it from the best. All right, babe, what are you planting here?
I am planting kale, and so I've already got 3 rows over here. Yeah, we only have half planted, and we got the rest to go. And then the next one's gonna be zucchini, which is gonna be more over there in the sun. That's it so far.
Nikki here, #1 neighbor.
Hi.
What do you like best about being neighbors with us?
What do you think about that?
Tongue-tied, huh? Wow, I thought that was an easy one.
We have cucumbers all the way down here, halfway point, and then we're gonna do tomatoes the rest of the way down.
So we're gonna start our veggies in these 2 beds back here. You can see the girls working hard. We got veggies in the ground, guys. Cucumber, cool. And then we got the workers over here flattening out the dirt for us. We're gonna take really good care of this dirt, y'all. And then my favorite, tomatoes. Boy, you first. What's your favorite vegetable?
Carrots.
All right, good choice. Favorite vegetable?
Carrots.
You like carrots too? Ding, 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 winners! One of the things we like to do here on the homestead is be self-sufficient, multiple income streams. If you've got time and some money and you're looking for ways to expand, I think you're gonna like this next one a lot. It's our top money maker by far. Stay tuned.